Hello, Richard here from Cantian. If you are involved with software application development or maintenance, then you've probably been hearing quite a bit about continuous deployment. Now, as technologies like or methodologies like Agile are being adopted, then there often goes with that a move away from collating software changes and deployments from being deployed, say, on a monthly basis or whatever, and instead moving through to a continuous deployment model. The idea being, firstly, to minimize or ideally eliminate application downtime as far as possible, but also to speed up the time in which the development teams are releasing useful functional enhancements to the applications to the benefit of the business. Now, recently we have discussed with our customers how they can achieve that through using Rocket Aldon's, the application lifecycle management tools, multiple release and automated deployment mechanisms. Now, this allows continuous delivery of code changes across multiple platforms. So that's including web applications, IBM, Windows, Linux, etc., and the various languages available on those platforms. We can even have the Rocket Aldon tool interface with your existing change control tools, or many of them, which of course minimizes the impact of the implementation of the new deployment mechanisms for your team. So if you are facing software application deployment challenges, then please request some further information about the Rocket Aldon tool, and also feel free and have a chat with one of our experts. There's no charge, and we'll be delighted to bounce some ideas around with you, and we hope help you as well. Thank you for your time.